Alright, I just opened this Lenovo PC right now. So look at how the inside is. It looks like it has up to is it 4 slots here or what am I seeing? Oh, it's like 4 slots, yeah. 4 slot, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this 4 slot, it's like I saw two memory RAMs here. So these two memory RAMs should be 4 because the system says that it has 8 gig memory RAMs. So which I believe these two RAMs here should be 4 RAMs, making 8 RAMs. So I have 8 RAMs I bought recently. So I'm supposed to put these 8 RAMs here, see if it will work. So this is the cooling fan. I can't see processor. Maybe processor is somewhere inside the system. Let me install the RAM first and see how everything will go. The RAMs. So here is the 8 gig RAM with me on my hand, and I think I'm good to go now. This is 8 gig RAM. If I turn it, so look at it. Let me put and see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. All set. All set. That's not clipping. It has not balanced yet. What happened? Yeah. Clip. I've not had clip on this end. I should be able to hear clipped, but this one has not clipped. Why? Okay, I think I need to turn it so that it will balance. Yeah, I think this is the main size. I mean, this is the main position is supposed to balance. Yes, it entered now. Amazing, I got it. I was putting it in the wrong position before. Yet I've not heard that clip sounded. It's supposed to be that is it. Yes. Oh yes, that is good now. That's good. Yes, it's time to put everything in order. So here is the case. Do I have to I think I need to on it first and see. I get the plug. Yes. The fan is cooling. System is booting now. Um, I think he's trying to recognize the new memory. Oh, please wait. He's recognizing the new memory. Happy days. Yes. Preparing to configure Windows. Don't turn off. It's recognizing the new memory and the fan is blowing. The new memory stick is there. All is there. Hard drive, blah blah blah. Yes. Today's date is Saturday, November. Has it finished booting? Yes, I check now. I'm gonna check once I entered. Why? Yeah, it's entered. So right now, I need to check with a PC health and see how many memory. Come on. Yes. PC health check. PC health check. I need to open. PC health check will tell me how many memory I have in the system. Come on. It's still not fast yet. I think I need to get a new processor to help this guy to move on fast. Okay, it's here. It's here. What is it saying? Getting information. Getting information. Alright. 16 gig. Yeah, it's up now. 16 gig. 1 year old. Alright. It's recognized. What do I have to check? Is it Windows 11 compatible? Let me check. Come on. Be a good boy. Come on. show me if it's compatible or not. I'm still waiting for you. Are you not gonna show me? I've clicked. Okay, yeah, good boy. It's here. So it shows blah blah blah. Processor isn't currently supported for the Windows 11. So I got to get a new processor, Intel Core i5, that will support the Windows 11 update. Yeah, that's good. But the most important thing is that the new installed 8 gig RAM is recognized. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So that is it for now. Thank you for following. I will see you again. So I have to couple this system back now. All I need to do is to couple it back. Before then, I have to shut down. So, where is shut down? So it's not all about this memory RAM, it's all about processor now. By the time I get this new processor, I will install it. Everything will be good. Good to go. Shut down. So thank you for listening and watching. I'll see you again in another video. This is Kelly 2G crafting it.